What is email marketing? Hey there everyone. If you are watching this video, it is because you are either an online marketer or are already familiar with the online marketing world to an extent. What's more, we can already tell you that you know that you can grow your business online if you put in the effort. And part of that effort is learning as much as you can before you leap into action. Unlike what the majority of people believe, online marketing is not a buzzword used to describe a passing get-rich-quick craze. It is a legitimate branch of marketing that uses online means to build brand awareness with the ultimate goal of turning a new business into a profitable venture. And it so happens that one of the most efficient ways to market to an online audience is through email. It is so efficient, in fact, that it has become its own online marketing method, and it has been aptly dubbed email marketing since the earlier days of the internet. So, just as the title implies, email marketing is the use of email to promote a business, a product, a service, and anything in between. It can be understood in simpler terms as the online equivalent of direct mail, which is how companies contact people directly to promote their stuff. Just that instead of using the postal service to get in touch with leads and potential clients, they use electronic mail. Now, there is a growing differentiation between how direct mail works and how email marketing works, thanks to the advent of content marketing. Whereas direct mail is used to send bulk business or advertising letters to people in a geographical segment, marketing emails are sent to people according to personalized targeting criteria that includes gender, locations, language, interests, professions, and so on. What this means is that contrary to direct mail, marketing emails are designed to develop a relationship with potential clients before they are used to convert potential clients into active customers. That is why the majority of direct mail is sent straight to the dumpster instead of being read. And that is also why most marketers never truly learn how to create successful email marketing campaigns, because they are trying to emulate direct mail. Why is email marketing better then? Email marketing is better than direct mail and almost double as effective as any other form of online marketing because it is an instant and more personal way of offering value to potential customers. And the simple reason why email marketing is so effective is because it allows marketers to include their products at the center of their email content. That is, that they can send informative emails that provide value to the customers and use them to promote their products or services in a subtle but very effective way. What most marketers find tough to master is how to craft and send personalized marketing emails that don't end up in the spam folder. And in this video training, we are going to teach you all about it. So, follow us to our next video so we can tell you what are the most relevant benefits of using email marketing to grow your business. Tune in.